Energy. What is energy? Energy allows us to grow and do work. Every living organism needs energy in order to play and do work. Humans are able to produce energy from the food that we eat. Animals obtain energy through eating food as well. Plants and trees produce energy from absorbing sunlight and water. We humans use energy to help us perform our everyday tasks. These tasks can be anything from running to learning to playing during recess. Plants use energy to grow bigger. Animals use energy to survive day to day. There can be many different forms of energy. Let's go through some of them. Heat energy, also known as thermal energy. Heat energy involves the movement of rapid particles which causes an object to heat up. Electrical energy. Electrical energy involves the movement of electrons, which allows us to use appliances such as TV, washing machines, computers, and many others. Light energy. Light energy travels in the form of waves and reaches our eyes. Light energy is produced when an object heats up and produces photons, which are small particles. Sound energy. Sound energy also travels in the form of waves and reaches our ears. Sound energy is produced by vibrations. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy that an object has due to its motion or position. For example, a hammer uses mechanical energy in order to push a nail into the wall. Mechanical energy can then be separated into two groups, potential energy or kinetic energy. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is energy that is stored within atoms. This type of energy is extremely strong and dangerous. Nuclear energy is an example of potential energy. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy that is produced by the interaction between atoms and molecules. An example of chemical energy is when a match lights up when it is rubbed against a matchbox. Chemical energy is an example of potential energy. This is because the potential energy stored in the match converts to heat and light energy when it lights up. Gravitational energy. Gravitational energy is the energy that an object possesses due to its height from the ground, allowing it to experience gravity. For example, a ball that is about to fall off the table. Gravitational energy is an example of potential energy. Now that we are familiar with the different forms of energy, we can go into more detail about the different types of energy in relation to generating electricity. There are two sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable. Let us start with renewable energies. These type of energy can be replenished or replaced as they are getting used. Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is created from the energy of flowing water in dams and waterfalls. This energy is used to rotate turbines, which captures energy and converts it into electricity. Solar energy. Solar energy comes from the sun. Solar panels are used to capture and store sun rays and then convert it into electrical energy, which then can be used. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy comes from the inside of the Earth's core, where there's a lot of heat. This heat can then be converted into steam, which then can be converted into electricity. Biomass energy. Biomass refers to materials that comes from plants and animals that can be used to produce energy. These materials are burned to produce energy. Wind energy. Wind energy uses turbines to capture energy from the wind and convert it into electricity. Moving on to non-renewable energy types. These type of energies cannot be replenished or restocked after it has been used. Once it is used, it is gone forever. Fossil fuels. This type of energy comes from fossils, which are organisms that were buried a long time ago. Burning fossil fuels can generate electricity. Coal. Coal energy comes from burning coal, which then can be converted into electricity. Petroleum. Petroleum is a liquid that can be obtained from inside of ocean beds. It is used to power cars and other vehicles. Natural gas. The gas consists of methane and other gases. It is used to provide fuel for heat, cooking, and can also power vehicles. It can also be converted into electricity. Judging by the two main categories, we can agree that the renewable energy options are better for our planet. Since non-renewable energy sources are depleting at a fast rate, it is important for us to save energy while we can. We should all learn to be energy efficient and make smart decisions so we are bettering our planet. Like what you've learned? Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more future content.